The dowel pin shear stress calculator determines the stress experienced by dowel pins under shear loading conditions. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have a drop-down menu for shear planes per pin, where you can select either 1 for single shear or 2 for double shear. I'm using 2 double shear for this demonstration. Next is the shear force F field, where you enter the applied force in either pounds or newtons. Then there's the pin diameter D field for entering the pin diameter in inches or millimeters. Finally, we have the number of pins N field, where you specify how many pins share the load, with a minimum value of 1. For our example, let's input a shear force of 5,000 pounds, a pin diameter of 0.5 inches, and 4 pins sharing the load. After clicking Calculate Dowel Pin Shear Stress, the calculator will display the resulting shear stress value. This output represents the stress concentration in each pin, which you can then compare against your material's allowable shear stress to ensure your design has an adequate safety factor. This tool helps engineers quickly verify dowel pin designs meet strength requirements. Find the link in the description below.